The T31G has two ways of doing a transfer. There's a blind transfer and an attended transfer. We're going to show you both.
So I'm going to simulate a call to the organisation now using my mobile phone.
I'm answering the call. This person says, can I talk to the other department? And I say, yeah, sure. 1 second, I transfer you. Press the transfer button, select the department and hit blind transfer. That call is now transferred to the other department.
I can answer it on this decked phone, which is in the other department, and now the call coming in on my mobile and the decked are connected.
That's how you do a blind transfer. Now there's also an attended transfer which has got a bit more interaction with the recipient. Let's try that.
So again, I'm going to place the call to the organisation using my mobile phone.
I've answered the call and now I'll transfer it to the recipient. Select their department, press OK.
I can receive the call on the decked phone. Hello?
Now that person might be unavailable for some reason, so we're going to have the option to go back to the original caller. So if you're busy, I'm just going to hit swap. Now I can talk to the original person.
Hello?
Hi there, he's busy at the moment, but if I take your number, he'll call you back.
Okay.
And end the call. That's how you do an attended transfer and how you do a blind transfer.